The first Vivo NEX S camera samples are here. The company has not confirmed it officially, but we think that the rear camera is similar to the one on the X21. That means a 12 megapixel sensor, a relatively bright f1.8 aperture and dual pixel autofocus. The secondary camera used for bokeh has a 5 megapixel sensor with f2.4 aperture. And here we have the official Vivo camera samples. It has 4-axis optical image stabilization with the X21 lag, so it should perform better in low light. In Pro mode, you can push the exposure time up to 32 seconds, but you will need a tripod if you want to shoot that long. Then there is the selfie camera, which is interesting not so much for its sensor or lens but for how it's mounted. The camera is hidden inside the body of the NEX S like a periscope, but it extends automatically as soon as you can open the camera app. For completeness sake, the selfie camera has an 8 megapixel sensor and a lens with f2.0 aperture. It can do bokeh shots too despite being alone. Both cameras benefit from AI enhancement, which adjusts the camera setting based on the scene. In fact, Vivo has tagged on an AI label to several camera features including HDR filters and beautification. So guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts and views in the comment section below. And yeah, peace.